Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I will be sharing a fun date night idea. It is a Love Jones theme, so sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. I wanted to show y'all what I'm currently working on. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. We were supposed to do it for Valentine's Day, but I didn't order them in time. Um, so Love Jones is one of my absolute favorite movies. And when I saw this, I was like, okay, we have to do it. So I ordered it from this website. The guy, hold on, the lighting in here sucks. I'm so sorry about that. But his name is Ray. I think his last name is pronounced Tennyson or something like that. But anyway, he have these canvases, and I'll go ahead and link it in the description box. I think currently he's sold out on everything, but he have themes. So of course I wanted to do the Love Jones theme. He have Jay-Z and Beyonce, and then he have Poetic Justice. So for the Poetic Justice one, it's Tupac and Janet Jackson. And I thought this was so cute, and I love the way this is set up because he have everything numbered on here so you know exactly what color to paint it, so it comes out looking just like this. And then the paint is numbered on the back so you know what color you need to be painting it. Now he do have easels that comes with it, and then paint brushes, but I had easels already and I had paint brushes. If you order the complete kit, it's going to be more expensive. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for these, but I will put the price on the screen. So I'm going to be setting this up for my husband and I because I wanted to do a at-home date night, and then I went as far as to making us some shirts as well. Of course, I had to be extra, so I saw this on Etsy. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make these. So it says I got a Love Jones for your body and your skin tone. So yeah, I thought that would be so cute. And then I ordered these roses from Amazon, so I might put some in a vase and then like put some on the floor or something. I had got these glitter hearts from Dollar Tree. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I was just grabbing stuff just to kind of go with the theme or set a vibe or something. I just ordered this vase from Amazon. I thought this was so cute. Kind of giving a little sexy vibes. So I ordered that. I'm gonna put some roses in there. I'll probably put like some candy or something. I think I'm gonna do I know I'm gonna do a charcuterie board, so I might use this. Probably just put some parchment paper on here to put the food on there. And of course, I got chocolate. My favorite chocolate here. I have this tablecloth because I'm gonna use the card table to set everything up. I just picked these up from the Dollar Tree. This was from the Dollar Tree as well. And then I want to do something with that. I think I'm going to add it like close to, I don't know. You guys will see when I set it up. But yeah, I'm excited about this. And I also ordered uh, a fondue kit from Amazon. That'll be coming in tomorrow. So yeah, we'll probably order some takeout and just have a special date night, and I will be sure to share the setup with you guys.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get You asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. My place is your place, my place.
Okay, I'm tired. I'm not finished, but so temporarily I had to put these behind here, which I could have just left them flat on the table for now, but I'm going to see if I can find some easels at Walmart tomorrow, or I probably just go to Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure I can find some there. The easels that I had were too small, and it was weighing, well, the canvas kept falling down, so we're not going to be able to use those. But I just put these buckets behind here just to have it stand up while I was recording and trying to set up stuff. I just put this on the table for now. I don't think I'm going to leave that right there. I put these roses right here on the floor, and the first pack that I opened was fine, but the second pack I opened, oh my God, it smelled just like cigarette smoke. The smell was horrible. I had to spray some of the Lysol fabric spray on here to get the smell out, but they smelled horrible. So I will be leaving a review on Amazon on these because that's ridiculous. I did go ahead and put this vase right here. I just have the shirts right there. So I just basically cleaned up this area. Don't ask me why I put those hearts over there, but it's whatever. There'll probably be some changes over here in this area. It don't need to be nothing fancy. We're going to be painting right here. I need to bring the chairs up here. And yeah, I'm loving the vibe. Of course, when we're painting and stuff, I'm going to have the movie playing. And yeah, I'm tired though. I'm getting ready to take my shower and lay down. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Like I do, my place like you do, oh, I do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshen, lose control. You don't wanna go slow.
Okay, I'm back from the store, and this one is still not the exact size, but it is a lot sturdier than the ones that I had, so I think this will do. I think it only holds up to 10 inches, according to the instructions, but the outside of the package says something else, so, but whatever. I mean, it'll do, long as, it's not falling while we're painting. So I'm just gonna go with these, and as you can see, they were on sale, 40% off. I couldn't find any in Walmart where they did have one, but yeah, Hobby Lobbies end up being a little cheaper anyway since they had that 40% off. But I'm gonna finish setting this up. So I'll be painting Lorenz, and my husband is gonna be painting Nia. So I always forget about batteries being inside of items and just leaving them in there. And I was trying to use these candles that I purchased from Amazon. I'm so mad because these things was not cheap, and the battery's been sitting in here for so long. Of course, they exploded. So I only got one working so far because this one wasn't too bad, but Y'all, I got two working out of all these candles. Look at this. I've been putting all the batteries in the trash, but look how bad one of them was. Like, ew, that's disgusting. I wouldn't be surprised though, because I've had battery explosions like this in items, and the item was still able to work. But I wouldn't be surprised if some of these batteries are just no good, because my kids are good for using the batteries and then putting them back knowing that they need to go in the trash. Like, why are you saving batteries? But I found this at Dollar Tree. It's a great way to store your batteries, so they fit in here perfectly. I purchased a bunch of batteries for Christmas, so I'm hoping all of these Energizer ones are working. It's just the candles are no longer, able to work because of the explosions. So I will put these back in here because I believe these are good, and they didn't get a bunch of toys or anything that needed batteries, so I should be fine with those. But yeah, you can hold different sizes. I have these little small ones. I have like 3 or 4 of these, and you can hold, I think it has like D are smaller than, I think the D batteries are smaller than C. So whichever one's the smallest, you can put like 4 of those in here. And also the AAA batteries as well. So if you're looking for some storage solutions for your batteries, these definitely come in handy for that purpose.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back.
All right, friends, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoy. We really had an amazing time. This was such a fun date night, and we will definitely do this again. I will have everything linked in the description box below if you are interested in any of the items. This is definitely not sponsored, but As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share this video with a friend, and until next time, my friends, take care.